how to change location in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to change your locations such as your warehouses in TikTok Shop. So over here, as you can see on our screen, we're currently in TikTok, and if you want to change your location, this is typically if you move to another place and of course you want TikTok to be updated on where they would be taking the products from and where they would be returning it. And to be able to do that, simply locate my account over here in the left side. Click on account setting, which will show us this page over here. So as you can see here, there's this warehouse setting. So this is where you will be able to modify and change the necessary locations required by TikTok, which is of course your warehouse, your inventory storage, and your shipping preference. So simply open this and you will be able to view your current warehouse settings and you will be able to modify it there and then. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.